headlines ngayong Sabado. Weird and fun facts you will uncover in the newest Science Discovery Center.
Nakakatakot naman to.
Meet an 8-year-old wonder who's already a published writer. Kids rule the kitchen with their yummy cooking. Susunod sa Kids on Cue, we'll take a look at a unique children's book.
Kids on Cue!
Sir David ang mag-uulat tungkol sa isang batang manunulat. Mapapabilib kayo sa writer na ito dahil at 8 years old, may inilabas na siyang libro.
The world of literature is amazing. It can take us to different places and stir up our imagination. Pero alam niyo ba na kahit kids like us, pwede maging renowned author? Isang batang manunulat ang nakilala ko para sa aking report. Meet 8-year-old child author Isabella Jurio.
Hi, my name is Isabella. This is You're a Star, my first book. Finally, the judges have decided the winner.
First published book ni Isabella ang You're a Star, isang kwento tungkol kay Jamie and his pet dog, Prince.
Right now, Kuya Gary is fixing my book.
I'm doing the layout of Isabella's book para ready na siya sa bookstore.
The 6-year-old Jamie enters her pug in a contest, but her pug does not win. So, as long as he did his best, he's still a star.
At hindi lang mga Pinoy kids ang makakapagbasa ng libro ni Isabella, dahil i-release din ito sa Singapore and other Asian countries.
We're very, very proud to be her publisher. We found her talent very extraordinary. And of course, we want to encourage young people like her to develop their talent in writing.
Want to know how a writer's mind works? I visit Isabella's home to find out. Tignan niyo mga kids, madami nang nasulat na storya si Isabella at gumagawa din siya ng poems o tula. Sige nga, parinig ng isang poem.
My hands organs. My ears help me hear the sounds far or near, the children playing, even the grass swing. My eyes help me see every green tree and tiny...
Paano kaya siyang natutong magsulat at such a young age?
My eyes and play.
When and how did you learn to write?
I learned to write when I was about 3 to 4 years old. Kasi I keep on reading books, then I memorize the story, so I find out how the words are written.
Sabi ni Mami Cyril, 2 years old pa lang si Isabella nang matuto siyang magbasa.
We started making this bonding activity where I would start a story and then she would continue and then I would follow until we end up making stories. And that happened at the age of 4. And then, so after that, when she learned to write really well, meaning with her penmanship and all, so she started writing her own stories at the age of 6.
Dahil hiling ni Isabella ang pagbabasa at pagtuklas ng bagong kaalaman, hindi nakakapagtaka na top 1 siya sa class niya ngayon. In her spare time, I find her reading, and still reading.
As a kid, she's quite different kasi unlike other kids who really want to buy toys, she would really prefer to buy books.
I like reading books, and books are really nice, so I think if I write one of these books, it would make children feel happy, like it makes me feel happy.
Isa sa activities ni Isabella yung matuto ng ibang languages, like Mandarin.
Yes. At the age of 6, she learned a few words in Italian. So we encourage her by buying her an audio CD and listening to that CD while we're on the road. And so she was able to pick up a few words from it. And then after that, she got interested with Dora's language, so that's Spanish, which is close to Italian. And so she learned a few words also. But now she learned how to count in Japanese and other basic words in Japanese. And then, but I think what she really likes to learn the most is Mandarin.
Pero ayon kay Mami Cyril, importante raw na magkaroon si Isabella ng iba't ibang activities para siya'y maging well-rounded. Kaya naman, playtime isn't neglected. Super proud nga si Mami Cyril sa kanyang talented daughter.
I always tell her, no matter what you do, no matter who you become, as long as you do your best, that's the most important thing, and that would make me happy.
Ito ang moral lesson ng book ni Isabella na You're a Star. At ito rin ang gustong iparating ng young and promising author natin sa mga kids na makakabasa nito.
My mom keeps on telling me after I have exams that when I go home, she doesn't ask me my score. She asks me if I did my best or not. So, it's really the important thing.
Ako si Q reporter David, laging on cue.